Irenki yamatekisi ebonakala inokuthula enkabeni yeStilfontein, kodwa imboni yamatekisi kule ndawo ichaze njengendawo yempi. Kusukela ngoMasingana abashayeli bamatekisi abayisithupha lapho badutshulwe kwashona abathathu, abanye abathathu balimala. ISantaco ithi umnyombo Udlame ukwanda kokudinwa kosomatekisi abasola uhulumeni ngokungenzi okwanele ukubhekana nezinselelo zabo.
3 years before the 2 years, we did not have the killings in terms of us being informed. But recently, since last year, we experienced a challenge where there were operators that will be stopped at hiking spots by operators, sometimes by security people whom have been deployed by taxi operators, because they will be complaining to say the government is not doing enough in terms of dealing away with illegals.
Umnyango wezokuthutha esifundazweni uyavuma ukuthi ziningi izinselelo.
Taxi associations are not governed properly by the leadership. 2, there is a contest of leadership. 3, there is a contest for lucrative routes and the control of taxi ranks. 4, there is the use of what we call taxi warlords, where the promotion of individuals who bully around others is now in the rise. 5, there is illegal operations in the province that have phenomenally grown over a short period of time.
Izinyathelo ezinqala zokungenelela sezibekiwe.